Money is an integral part of our lives, and it is crucial to have a fundamental understanding of personal finance to make informed decisions about our financial future. In this video, we will be discussing what personal finance is, why it is important, and the essential concepts that you need to know to manage your finances effectively. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. What is personal finance? Personal finance is an integral part of our lives that demands a proactive approach to manage effectively. It encompasses comprehending your financial situation, including your income, expenses, debts, and investments, and devising a plan to achieve your financial goals. By taking charge of your finances, you can alleviate financial stress, amass wealth, and attain financial freedom. Why is personal finance important? Personal finance involves not only managing your money in the present, but also planning for your financial future. By understanding the fundamental concepts of personal finance, you can make informed decisions about your money, which can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Proper financial planning can help you build wealth, save for retirement, pay off debts, and achieve financial freedom. Basic concepts in personal finance. To effectively manage your finances, it is essential to have a basic understanding of key concepts in personal finance. Budgeting involves creating a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses, while saving involves setting aside money for future use. Investing involves putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, and managing debt involves understanding the terms of your loans and creating a repayment plan. Finally, planning for retirement involves estimating your financial needs in retirement and creating a plan to save and invest for your future. Budgeting. Creating a budget is an essential step toward achieving financial stability. It helps you to understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. By tracking your income and expenses for a month, you can get a clear picture of your financial situation. Categorizing your expenses into essential and non-essential categories can help you prioritize your spending and make informed decisions about where to cut back. Saving. Saving is a crucial aspect of personal finance, and it's essential to make it a habit to save money regularly. By setting a savings goal and creating a budget that includes a savings plan, you can ensure that you are putting aside money for emergencies, unexpected expenses, and long-term financial goals, such as retirement. Automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account can also help you stay on track with your savings goals and make it easier to save consistently. Remember, even small amounts of savings can add up over time and make a significant difference in your financial future. Investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. However, it's important to remember that investing comes with risks, and it's essential to understand these risks before putting your money into any investment. Different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, have different levels of risk and potential rewards. It's important to do your research and understand the risks and potential rewards of each investment before making any decisions. Managing debt. Managing debt is an essential part of personal finance, and it's important to understand the impact that debt can have on your financial future. High levels of debt can lead to financial stress, missed payments, and damage to your credit score. To manage debt effectively, it's important to understand the terms of your loans, such as interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules. Creating a debt repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debt and balances your debt payments with other financial goals can help you take control of your debt and achieve financial stability. Planning for retirement. Planning for retirement is an essential part of personal finance, and it's never too early or too late to start. Retirement planning involves estimating your financial needs in retirement, such as living expenses, healthcare costs, and any other expenses you may have. It's important to create a plan to save and invest for retirement, taking into account your current income, expenses, and future financial goals. Starting to save early can also help you take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly increase your retirement savings over time. Tips for managing personal finance. Creating a budget and sticking to it is one of the most important steps toward achieving financial stability. It helps you to understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Saving at least 20% of your income is also crucial to building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Investing for the long term can help you maximize potential returns and minimize risk, while minimizing debt and paying it off quickly can reduce financial stress and improve your credit score. Planning for retirement early can help you take advantage of compound interest and achieve your retirement goals. In conclusion, personal finance is a crucial aspect of our lives, and it's essential to have a basic understanding of its concepts to make informed decisions about our financial future. By creating a budget, saving money, investing for the long term, managing debt, and planning for retirement, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.